Hey there, I'm Jason Kruger and welcome to my channel. This space is all about helping coaches, consultants, and business owners get a handle on their online marketing tech without the overwhelm. I like to keep everything, well, tech simple, so you can focus on what really matters in your business. Yeah, I'll dive into tech tutorials, online marketing strategies, and all things digital that'll help you grow your business. Whether it's setting up a WordPress website, building membership sites, or picking the best email marketing platform, I'm here to guide you through it. And yeah, I'll also share what's working for me and my clients, because after 11 years in this space, I've seen it all. So whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, if you need practical advice on what marketing tech you should use in your business, you're in the right space. And hey, if you think this content will help you and your business, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. By subscribing, you'll have direct access to expert advice that'll make navigating online marketing tech a whole lot simpler. Just remember, whatever you do, keep it tech simple.